Hey folks, it's going to be another Dave's Senior Moments. Every once in a while I still get to do stuff around the shop and, do little ideas that I want to do and stuff that I like to do. So what we've got is when we ship something out, we have a box that we put the stuff in because we ship everything usually priority mail. And then we have a brown box that the priority mail is coming in. The mail carrier puts the mail in that box. And we've always needed a place for incoming UPS packages or FedEx packages, separate place for those two, for incoming. Not so much outgoing, but the incoming. So for the last few months, I've been planning on making something just for that. And we've got a chain link fence. So I decided to make a bracket for a section of the chain link fence with a shelf on it that the FedEx driver, the FedEx driver or the UPS driver would have a place to put our incoming stuff. So I got out my tools and cut up material, got everything done. I built it and put it up. And so now that it's up, I don't have it painted yet, but I got it built and put up. And so I'm going to take a few minutes and Eric and I will walk out to where I have it installed on the fence, and we'll show you what it is. Show you it's just something else that I've done as far as one of my senior moments. So we'll come right back and we'll show you what I've done. Okay, we're back. We're back outside. Now here's the bracket that I built, and it has a shelf. And we'll go around and show you the other side of it. But I built this so that the UPS or FedEx driver, when they come in with a package for us, they rather than just put it on the ground or drop it inside of the fence like they've been doing, now they've got a place to put it. And later on the outside, I'm going to have a plastic or a tarp curtain so that if it's raining, they'll be able to fold that up over the top of it. But now we'll go outside and I'll show you what it looks like from outside.
You want me to roll it, David? Carry it?
So you can see where I built those brackets on the inside, and I fastened them. I put screws in here through the fence to fasten to the inside bracket. I made this little sign for UPS FedEx so that they can, when they have a package, they can just put it right up on top. And then eventually that little curtain or tarp I was telling you about, I'll have that fastened here with a little loop on it so they can, if it's raining, and we don't get that much rain out here, but if it is, it'd be nice to be able to cover it up. So that's all I wanted to do today, is I wanted to show you what I did. Sometimes I'll have a little project like this where I'll show you as I'm doing it, but this particular one I wanted to go ahead and do it, put it up and get it done, and then tell you what I did and show you how I did it. So that's my senior moment for this time. We'll see you next time.